What's good, YouTube? You're now tuning into the Infamous World Network. It's your host, the infamous Jerez. Make sure if you haven't already to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure to thumbs up as well. And also make sure to finesse the bell so you can get a notification every time I have a new upload. But today's upload, we're gonna be getting into upcoming May releases that are coming out for sneakers, and also a little bit of sneaker rumors for May. So let's get right into this. To start off, coming out May 6th for $185, Jordan Brand is going to be releasing the low top Air Jordan 11 Citrus, and it's coming out for the women's size run. This shoe is definitely ready for the springtime with its white upper. It has a white patent leather upper with a white mesh upper as well, white laces. The shoe's predominantly all white, but it has little hits of citrus on it. The whole outsole is citrus. On the back there's a citrus Jumpman. You know, it has the nice little citrus strip on the tongue as well. This shoe is definitely really nice for spring. I would definitely rock this. I'm a big fan of orange, the color in general. I used to like this shoe a lot back then when I seen it, so I'm not gonna particularly try and grab it, but this shoe's definitely nice and I do expect it to sell out. Following up that release, coming out May 7th, Jordan Brand is going to be releasing the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue. This shoe is basically the Columbia 11 low top, if you didn't know. This shoe is just like the Citrus. It's all white upper, white patent leather, white mesh upper, white laces. But this one, instead of having hits of bright citrus, is going to be having hits of Legend Blue. And it's going to have the nice icy blue outsole, which is also really nice for the spring. Really nice look in general. And then on the back, it's going to have the Legend Blue Jumpman. The insole and the sock liner are black as well. This shoe is definitely really crispy as well. It's not as good as the Citruses in my opinion. I'm definitely going to pass up on this shoe. If you're looking to cop something nice for the month of May or something for spring, I do think this shoe might be something that might fit you. Following up that release, coming out on May 8th, Jordan Brand is also going to be dropping the Air Jordan 7 Flint. This shoe originally came out in 2006. This is the first time it's came out after that, so it's only came out twice. The shoe is white with hits of flint gray on the upper. The hits of flint gray are like a suede, and then the white parts are leather. Then it has like varsity purple hits that go really nice with the flint gray. The shoe is subtle. It's not really a super loud colorway, but Jordan Brand doesn't really get into too many really loud colorways. But this shoe, I really like this shoe. Me personally, I'm gonna go for this shoe. Hopefully I could get it for retail. I think this shoe it's nice, man. White and gray, you can't really go wrong. The suede is nice. The little hits of purple spice it up. The outsole of the 7 is beautiful. It got the gray and the purple all over. You got the back varsity purple Jumpman hit, white laces. I think this shoe's definitely a flex. Coming out May 10th, Nike's gonna be dropping on our head top a collaboration for the Nike SB Dunk Low. This time their collaboration is going to be with the streetwear brand Stingwater. This upcoming collaboration is going to be coming out again May 10th. This one's going to be coming out for $125 is going to be the retail price. This SB Dunk Low, at first when I seen it, I didn't like it, but I really overlooked it. But now that I've looked more deep into it, this is definitely a really hot collaboration. Hopefully the people that are really into SBs can get their hands on it, and the resellers don't get all the pairs for this. But this shoe sports a mainly red upper. The shoe's basically red all over for the most part. The shoe also has this safari print on the outside of the shoe that is supposed to be like the top of a mushroom. And the safari print with the red, it looks pretty sick. And then also the inside sock liner of this shoe is supposed to mimic the gills of a mushroom. The shoe also has, you know, a nice little wording from Nike on the inside. It also has a stash pocket as well. The shoe's really detailed. You can tell they put a lot of time into this shoe. I'm digging the whole mushroom vibe of this shoe, and then also the translucent blue outsole is like really sick. I'm really interested to see how the shoe's gonna look once it's worn, but like seeing the pictures that I'm seeing right now, the detailed pictures and the stuff on YouTube, this shoe is definitely looking really crazy. I think this shoe is gonna be a big sleeper in terms of the dunk world. Like, this might go under a lot of people's noses how good this shoe is actually gonna be. I don't feel like there's that much hype behind this shoe coming out that there should be. Put this shoe on your radar. This shoe is definitely gonna be a hot one. Now, also coming out on May 12th, Jordan Brand is going to be dropping the Air Jordan 1 KO Chicago. colorway. The KO Air Jordan 1, the difference between that and the regular Air Jordan 1 is the KO's more for comfort and like regular wear. It's not a sports shoe, so it recreates the Air Jordan 1 design but more for comfortability and like everyday wear. But this shoe is pretty freaking dope. I'm not particularly gonna grab it. I'm not a fan of the Air Jordan 1 KO, but like the materials they use on it is like this canvas and leather upper, and it's like, it looks really nice. It doesn't look as good as the predominantly leather upper in my opinion, but the shoe looks nice. It's very similar to Air Jordan 1. And then it's the Chicago Bulls colorway, so it's like, how could you go wrong with that? I do predict this shoe to be an instant sellout. There is a lot of people that are really into the Air Jordan 1 KOs, and then just in general, the Air Jordan 1 hype right now is insane. So this shoe is definitely gonna sell out, but it's definitely a really hot shoe in my opinion. I'm gonna pass on it, but you know, if you're looking to get yourself a nice pair of shoes for May, I think that shoe is definitely well worth it. And then also, these are rumors, not necessarily true, but Nike's starting to leak images, so we're starting to lean towards it being true. But Nike is supposed to be re-releasing or retroing the Nike LeBron 8 South Beaches, or preheats for other people that call them that. The preheat Miami LeBron 8s, this shoe is like, this shoe when I was in high school used to be like one of the like, I used to always see the preheat. I was like, this shoe is like is heat, and I could never get my hands on some crazy stuff like that in high school. So seeing the fact that Nike is potentially gonna re-release this like grail, like the preheat used to be a grail for people. That was like definitely a crazy shoe in that era. I really wish LeBrons would get back to those kind of styles and stuff like that. There was once upon a time when like LeBrons, you could actually step in those, but like now I feel like all the LeBron shoes are just strictly for basketball, and they just look like basketball shoes. I don't feel like none of them really have that streetwear appeal no more, but like the preheats definitely did. I don't know if it was the loud colorway or the design, but like the whole Nike LeBron 8s, I was a huge fan of that shoe model. There was definitely a lot of colorways that I was a big fan of. Hopefully Nike re-releases more colorways of the Nike LeBron 8. I'm definitely satisfied that they're going to be releasing the preheats. The shoe's probably going to be an instant sellout. I'm really wondering what the resale market's going to be after. I'm not sure if people are still going to be feeling that shoe the way it once was perceived. That shoe's definitely dope. Definitely a nice one to throw on for the spring, break a couple necks. But I don't believe I'm gonna be copping it, but that shoe's definitely a hot one. And with that being said, we're gonna be looking to wrap up this episode. Before we do that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to finesse the bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, so you can stay up to date with me. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's underscore. Make sure to follow my Instagram as well if you haven't already. My Instagram is @_Infamousworldnetwork. I post a lot of my previews and my links to my YouTube videos. I post a little bit on there as well, so you know, show love on my IG. I follow back for the main part, and you know, show love everybody. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Till next time.